What's up, MK Unique? It's your girl, MK Unique. Unique, we back at y'all with another video. Y'all, he swore his fit to be hard. Rate his fit right now.
I promise you my stuff be hard. It be like big.
Me on the stack jeans, don't play. Yeah. Anyway, so today I'm gonna be making some stack jeans for y'all. Just want to show y'all, you know how I make some stack jeans or whatever. I gotta make black stack jeans. I'm gonna be making some stack sweats too, but I don't know when, you know, type. But today we're gonna be making these. I need to figure out which pins that he want me to. So let me check. Y'all know I got a little sewing machine, so y'all be on the lookout. I just haven't been, you know, like, you know, but I'm finna start making my own. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm finna start. One more fit for y'all to rate.
Gotta shrink the G. Too big.
I don't know. He feel like he can dress better than me.
Oh God.
If I throw the fits out.
Look, I got another one. I got another fit. That's three. This 3 fits for you.
Where the other one?
Look, I'm gonna show you another.
Them the stacks that I'm supposed to be making?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta make some more over there for him too. So.
Gotta remake them.
Yeah, but I'm only gonna be showing y'all one pair in this video because I just feel like making this, you know. But yeah, whenever he takes back. Oh, he did take back. Alright, so do I need to scoot back for y'all so y'all can see? Because I need y'all to see the process. I can see whatever. I hope the lighting's in whatever. Where's the scissors? So what we gonna do is lay these out because these the pins we finna cut. Okay? Then you got these. I'm gonna just lay these right here. Okay, I need to. Oh, y'all, I'm tripping. Because what I didn't do is. Okay, I got all my cord back. Don't mind me, but I forgot. I don't know how I forgot this. How? What? Y'all, I'm gonna turn it this way because I want y'all to be able to see. You know. Boom. All right, I like to use my feet on this because I think of it as a gas pedal, you know. I don't know. All right, I could be work at 2, 1 o'clock. I don't have an hour really. Coco, where the scissors? My bad. Okay. So what you want to do is, let me get this out of the view real quick. You want to take your pins that you cutting and you want to, matter of fact, I'm going to use this so y'all can see what I'm doing. You want to cut them like know where the knee gonna be and then cut them like a little bit above, because you can always cut it shorter, you can never get it longer. So you know, that's what I'm finna do. All right, this what you gonna have. Hold on, you want them to rate another fit?
This regular dark.
Rate another fit, y'all. He said the red in the shirt a little bit dark. Yeah, it is. Back to making the stacks, right? Okay, so now just to make it easier on you, fold it in half. Fold the piece in half. Okay, now you finna just cut along where the other one is cut. Alright, now this is what you got. Now you're gonna turn them inside out. Well, okay, let me, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do this. For the sake of this video, because I don't always do this. So, it just depends on what the person wants, you know? So, cut off these little pieces on the pins that you cut, and on the pants that you didn't cut, right? I feel like I'm far back and I can be closer, okay? Recently, my sewing machine was just broken. Well, the needle had broke, whatever. Yeah, so, but we got that fixed, obviously. Okay, so y'all, I don't like this camera angle. All right, y'all, we back at y'all with a better angle from last time because view of it. Okay, back. So now what we finna do is cut this, like I said, whatever. What do you mean?
I was saying like put like some of it in the dress, you know.
Anyway, so now take the pants that you actually doing and cut the bottom of them off too. This literally should not take, it shouldn't take me longer than 20 minutes, honestly. Okay, so now that you got that, look them inside out.
Do you know what?
Then you take it and you line up the smallest part with this. That way the widest part is at the bottom. That's what's gonna be at the bottom. So stick your hand through there so you can get it. Then take the leg, put it in there. I hope y'all can see me what I'm doing. Then I like to line up I hope y'all can really see. Line up this with that pants, right? So hold on, let me get it lined up real quick. Make sure it's lined up as close as possible. Okay. You could go ahead and put the other leg on there if you want to, but I like to wait. Here comes the song. Okay. So make sure all this is correct. It really don't matter what color thread you use because it's whatchamacallit. It's not gonna show. But I don't really have a lot of thread right now, so I'm just gonna be using red. Okay. We got all that set up. Oh, let me take this off. Stick this on here. Try to keep the hinges lined up, whatever. Right. Right, okay. Can y'all see? I put it around there. Here's my pedal. Y'all won't be able to see the pedal, but just know I'm pressing this with my feet. And we gonna pick a setting, so I'll just do 1 or 2, so okay. Let down the thing. Let that down. Wait, let me scoot this up a little bit right there. Now, just go. I like to hold the hinges side. It's gonna be hard to stay, you know, so you don't hurt your finger or whatever. But then once you get past it, it'll be good. Alright, are you done with the first one already? Get the scissors, cut off the thread. And this what you gonna have, right? This was the type of trust the process type. I got white thread on that side and then this red thread. Then you just flip it back right. And this how they turned out. But yeah. So yeah, let's do the second one. It's 1:16. I got 4 minutes. Another red and white, you know. Then these lined up way more than the other ones did. So let me give y'all a full view. These aren't mine, so I'm not gonna put them on for y'all. Oh wow, that was bad. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Hopefully it don't fall again. Here are the stacks. Hold on. Here's one leg of it, and then here's the other leg. This leg lined up way more. If y'all get what I mean by lined up, I mean this. I lined them up way more than the other leg. Y'all see, period. When he put them on, I'm telling him, send me some pictures. These boys look long. So that's how I be making steak pans or whatever. And I gotta make some more, but I'm not gonna have time. Cause I gotta go to work now. But that's the end of the video. Yeah, that's all I have to show y'all. I'm gonna be doing more clothes and stuff, y'all. Anyway, that's the end of this video. And Unique Gang, we out this